How to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how can you modify the brightness settings on your Windows 11 system. So this tutorial is designed to be straightforward and you'll find all the necessary details listed in the description below. To get started, begin by right-clicking on your desktop and then choose the display settings. This action will open up the display settings window. Once there, locate and click on Night Light, and this feature allows you to reduce the amount of blue light emitted from your monitor, resulting in warmer color gradient during the scheduled times. You have the option to turn it off or adjust the intensity and set a specific schedule for this feature. Within the display options, ensure that you're using the recommended scale and display resolution for your screen. Simply access the drop-down menu and select the recommended value. After making these adjustments, you can close the window and search for NVIDIA control panel in the Start menu search. And if you're using an AMD graphics card, make sure to utilize the AMD driver suite instead. Within the control panel, navigate to Adjust Desktop Color Settings, and under Apply Color Enhancements, you have the ability to modify the brightness, contrast, and gamma settings. Remember to apply your changes. And additionally, you should also have the option to adjust the overall brightness and control color settings using your monitor's built-in software. If you're using a laptop or another mobile Windows 11 device, you should find the brightness option available within your display settings. This is basically how to adjust the screen brightness Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.